The next concept is we'll go through the images formed by the lenses, different lenses. But before that, certain rules for the construction of ray diagrams while constructing. Okay, there are always light rays are drawn from left to right. Light rays are drawn from left to right. Clear? Second one is arrow marks are compulsory. Are compulsory or mandatory. Suppose your whole diagram is correct, but you have not given arrow diagram, then it is not called as a ray diagram. Ray means arrowhead should be there. Clear? These are the fundamental rules for construction for any light optical ray diagram you will draw. For lenses, for lenses, what are the rays? Principal rays we call them. Principal rays or properties. Okay, principal rays. Principal rays for ray diagram. There are three principal rays generally we have to take. First one is that a ray passing through optical center. Optical center means what? Suppose a ray will pass through optical center, we have already discussed a ray will go without any deviation. Here this is optical center, generally we take optical center O. Suppose concave or convex, optical center the ray goes, then it will go without any deviation, same line. Clear? It should, I already discussed that little shift laterally, but for thin lenses that shifting is very less, so you can ignore. I can draw the straight line. Clear? Shall I erase and write? Okay, here I am writing the second one. Shall I write or shall I erase this or write it? Second is that a ray passing through F or coming along F goes parallel to the principal axis after refraction through the lens. It may be any lens. If ray is coming through the focus, it will become parallel after refraction. We have discussed. Once again I'll draw you the diagram. For that I have to erase this. This is a convex lens. This is the focus, let me say. Suppose a ray is coming, generally convex, it will pass through, bend a little, then finally it will become parallel to the principal axis. Clear? Second, for concave lens, also same. Here it may not pass through the focus, but coming along the line of focus. This is first focal point for concave. A convex, concave ray is coming like this. This is the principal axis. Here is the focus actually. It will then it will become parallel to the principal axis. That means a ray coming to the principal axis along the line of focus or through the focus becomes parallel after a refraction through the lens. Clear? This is the second one, second point. Clear? If a ray comes parallel to the principal, third rule, this now it is the third rule. If a ray comes parallel to the principal axis, then it goes through or along the line of focus. Line of focus. Clear? So this is it. Suppose this is the ray. A ray came parallel to the principal axis. Diverges, converges, again converges, pass through the focus. This is the rule number 3. And if suppose concave lens, also same. Suppose a ray comes parallel to the principal axis, diverges, again diverges. If you draw backward, it will become passed along the focus. Clear? F2, F2. So we have discussed all the 3 rules we can say to construct the ray diagram, or which 3 principal rays you will take. First is if a ray passes through the optical center, it goes without any deviation. Second, a ray started from the focus or along the line of focus becomes parallel after refraction. This is the second one. Third one is this one. A ray coming parallel to the principal, it goes along the focus after refraction through the lenses. So out of these 3, we need just 2 rays to draw the ray diagram of an object. Okay, 2 rays we need. We will use any of these 2s. Clear?